Where, in action, mastering. Where, questions with the verb, to be. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to tackle an essential part of conversational English, forming where, questions with the verb, to be. This skill will open up new ways for you to navigate your way in English conversations, whether you're asking for directions, inquiring about someone's hometown, or just wanting to know where something is. The word where is a question word used to inquire about a location or a place. It's a versatile tool in your English communication arsenal. However, the magic really happens when you pair where with the verb to be. Let's take a look at the basic structure of a where question with to be, where plus is our plus subject. Some examples of this structure include: where is the museum? Where are the keys? When forming where questions with singular subjects, we use the form where plus is plus singular subject. Here are a few examples. Where is my book? Where is the bus station? In these sentences, the subjects, my book, and the bus station, are singular, so we use is. For plural subjects, we use the structure where plus our plus plural subject. Take a look at these examples. Where are my glasses? Where are the children? Here, the subjects, my glasses, and the children, are plural, so we use are. When we use where with personal pronouns, remember to match the verb to be with the pronoun correctly. For example, where is he, she, it, for singular pronouns, and where are you, we, they, for plural pronouns. And there you have it, folks. A crash course in forming where questions with the verb to be. With some practice, you'll be asking where questions like a pro in no time. Remember to keep practicing, and don't hesitate to re-watch this video as many times as you need. Until next time, happy learning!